Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on Capital.com application. To change a password on Capital.com, first of all, launch open the Capital.com application on your device like you normally do. And once you're in the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left. Now on the next page, tap on Settings. Under Settings, go to the bottom and look for the Change Password button and tap on it. Go ahead and enter your current password for your Capital.com account in the first tab and write down the new password in the last two boxes. And finally tap on Save at the bottom to change your password. Right after you do that, you will be able to change your password for your Capital.com account and your account security has been updated. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more of these tutorials. I will see you in the next video again. Thanks for watching.